The training was very informative. The instructors, Dustin and Chrissy, were amazing.
I really came here really not knowing much about it, but I'm leaving here with a lot of knowledge that I know that I can use. And now I'm even thinking about maybe starting my own business in this field.
They've just backed me up and supported me 100% through the years. Grown so much, both in technical knowledge and in business knowledge through the years.
That system of having a representative that's dedicated to you is top-notch.
And I can't recommend them enough for anybody that's looking to get into the industry.
I have more structure, I have more motivation, and I have a team that's going to back me, not just to show me, but they'll be there to guide me through the way.
God knows the truth. It's changed our life, and everybody there is amazing. We love it.
Wouldn't you all agree?
Yeah. It was great.
Very excited, and this class made me ready to go get it.